Yo, my dudes, what is going on? It is Mr. Crayfish, and welcome back to another device mod development stream. I'm sorry that I didn't stream yesterday. I kind of woke up late. Like I keep telling you the same thing. I keep telling you guys the same story. I keep going to bed late, and then I just like don't wake up in the morning. Like I'm usually extremely tired, and like I can't live stream like that if I'm just like half asleep. I'm live streaming like, hey guys, this is Mr. Crayfish. We're doing furniture device live stream, and today we're going to be adding in a nuclear bomb to this mod. Like, I'm going to say something random like, oh, we're going to do a cheese mod. So the laptop contains cheese, which enables the moon to travel 10 kilometers to the left, which enables high income value for the profiters of the tree company that I'm investing in. So I'm going to say something like that if I'm half asleep. But I'm here now. Redstone Master, cheers for the super chat. I love your videos. Damn, dude, thanks. Thanks, dude. I see you guys. I see the Crayfish sponsor icon. So if you guys actually sponsor, you get a nice little Crayfish icon next to your name. Videos. Actually said it out. Actually said it out. I should wait until it actually says that. Hey, Austin TV, who else have we got in the chat right here now? Let's see who's in here. We got Luke BB04, Ryan, Minecraft Doodler, King Coon, Stay Puffed, Canadian Gaming, Daniel, Fabby50, Coffee Cat Railway, Heal Us, Redstone Master 11. We got two Redstone Masters. How come we got two Redstone Masters? We got Redstone Master 11 and we got Redstone Master. Which one's the true master? Which one is the true master? I need you two guys to battle it out in the chat here. We got Panda, Mr. Pipkin. We got a bunch of you guys in the chat. Thank you guys all for coming today. I was actually making a coffee before this live stream just started. So what I'm going to do real quickly is I'm going to get that coffee. But what we're going to be doing, I just want to mention what we're doing in this live stream today. Before I head off, or before I just go ahead and get my coffee. We're going to be working on the router today and hopefully, enable being able to, like, you know, connect to it and that type of stuff. So, I'm really hoping we can get that done. I'm really hoping we can get that done and being able to connect to it and stuff like that. What else do I need to, what else are we going to do? I think that's it. But what we're going to do is we're going to kick this live stream off today. If you guys are excited for this live stream today, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. Snap it right in half. And also turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when these live streams actually go live. I have so many people saying, oh, I missed out on your live stream. It's because you didn't have those bell notifications on. It's because you didn't have those bell notifications on. And then as well, what we're going to do, something new around here. If you guys don't know, it's called Cheese Hype. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It's Cheese Hype. Basically, all you do is type in hashtag Cheese Hype in the chat.
Master 11, I win.
Redstone Master coming in with a stupid chat there. I think he won. But there's a thing here. We type in hashtag Cheese Hype and then spam cheese emojis in the chat. So let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Cheese Hype! Cheese Hype, Cheese Hype, Cheese Hype. Yeah. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. It's a weekend live stream. I think it's the only weekend live stream. Oh, I can do one tomorrow, and that would be technically a weekend live stream. Oh, on a serious note, guys. I want to start mod week. I want to start mod week Monday. I want to start mod week Monday, which is tomorrow. Like, because I don't want to leave it till next week, because that's going to be a super duper busy week for me, and I don't want to be doing it then, because it's just going to be too insane for me. Especially it's the week leading up to Christmas, so I don't want to do it on that week. So mod week is like going to be Monday, and I'm going to do an announcement real quickly. I'm going to do everything today, so today's a busy day for me. So I'm kicking off with a live stream today, and then after this I'm going to be creating videos galore. I'm going to be creating videos galore. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and yeah, let's get into this. Now, someone did actually submit a PR, which we might actually implement here. Only problem is they implemented it into the master branch, which I'm not a big fan of. Not a big fan of that one. Not a big fan of that one, but it has no conflictions. We might just be able to implement it straight in. I'm not too fast. I wish he pushed it to the printer branch, because I think that's possible to do that. I think that's possible to do that. Can you change pixel painter to an int field?
There's no more cheese. Comma scared face, imp. Scared face, imp.
Oh my god, that was a creepy message right there. That was a creepy message right there. Can you change pixel painter to an int field, maximum 32 by 32, so you can do anything from 1 by 1 to 32? It's not that easy. It's not that easy. The problem is that when actually drawing the image, it's not like the pixels won't be even. So if you did like a 7 by 7, oh no, not a 7 by 7, but I don't know how to explain it. The only way I can is visualize it. I can only show you, but I can't really do that because it just requires too much coding. Like, there's a reason why I did 16 by 16 and 32 by 32 in the first place. There is no more cheese. What do you mean? There is cheese. There is cheese. Alright, so what I'm going to do real quickly, guys, is just go ahead and go get my coffee, and then I'll be back with you guys in a minute here. I really need to get a BRB screen. I don't have a BRB screen. If you guys have a look at this one, have a look at this. Hey, whoa, it's me! Big version of me. Yeah, I don't have a BRB screen. I really need to invest in one. I
am asking Santa for infinite cheese.
Dude, that's what I need. I need to get sponsored by a cheese company, Alex. Seriously. I get sponsored by a cheese company, and you know, get some serious cheese, like a cheese dispenser. Cheese dispenser would be the best. Alright, I'm gonna go get this coffee. I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Stick around. Just let people know that I'm BRB at the moment, and I'll be back in a sec. I'll see you guys in a second. I'm back. I'm back, guys. Hold on. There we go. Alright, we're all good. I got myself some kaffifi, aka coffee. But I like to call it kaffifi. Kaffifi, if you guys know. Let me know if you get the meme. Let me know if you get the meme. But I got some kaffifi. It's good kaffifi. No, not really. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna merge this this PR. Someone in the person that's actually submitted this is actually in the chat right now, so they'll see it. But I've actually got some optimizations for it. Wait, hold up. Do I pull it in? Because I could literally just... I don't want to copy it. I'll just say I'll add it, then optimize it again. Because it can be optimized even further. It doesn't need reflection, which is currently being used in it. It doesn't need reflection. Can you OP sponsors? Just wondering. I can't OP sponsors on the server, if that's what you're meaning. That's a little too far.
Can you op sponsors? Just wondering.
I'll contact my guys because they've set up a sponge server. And basically they've got ranks on it now, so they have like, well, obviously admin, then they have like regulars, which is kind of synced in with the Discord community chat, and then they have just members as the normal one. So I'll try and see if we can organize like a kind of sponsor rank on the server, which would be good. What is this? Alright. Am I like bright? I'm like super duper bright. Alright. So, when you go ahead, we'll push this in. Whoops, no, I don't want to do that. Push this in and optimize it even more, because there's a couple of things that could have been done to it. Squash and merge. Ka-ching. Alright, and what we're going to do is just quickly copy out the code. Oop. Copy out the code, because I can't switch the branch at the moment. We're going to do sponsor Jake Crowley. Welcome to the sponsors. I don't know what welcome to the sponsor club. Welcome to the Crayfish sponsor club. Welcome to the cheese club. Maybe I should welcome it to the... It should be the cheese club. It should be the cheese club. Let me know if you got any ideas what we should call these sponsor clubs. The cheese club. But welcome to the sponsor. Hey! Look at that nice little zombie animation. It's nothing special. It's like the default one. I really need to customize it. The cheese club. I don't know. Hashtag ask Cray. Do you think you can add like flat screen TV in the future? Potentially. Like the device mod's probably more suited towards it. Like my furniture mod is not a modern mod, you know. I got $6 in my PayPal and was gonna super chat, but for some reason YouTube doesn't support PayPal as a payment option for super chat. Ugh. So they support PayPal. So sponsoring is the next best thing. It is. Thanks, dude, for the sponsor there. And you also get like a nice little icon next to it. Hold on. I think we got enough sponsors. Hold up. Let's have a look. I think we got enough sponsors now to have an emoji. To have a custom emoji, guys. We can have a custom emoji. Sponsors. Custom emoji. Yes. We get our first emoji, guys. We get our first custom emoji. What do we want? We're going to decide. We're gonna decide what emoji do we want. I get one. Create custom emoji. Can I create as many as I want, or is it like I only hit a certain length? I don't know. If you guys have any ideas for custom emoji, I mean, I've already got the crayfish as the icon for sponsors, so maybe we'll do something else. Maybe we have a big shuck, big shuck. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. Oh, a cheese. I don't know. Not a cheese. Everybody can do cheese already. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out for next live stream because that's cool. That is cool. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy out this source code folder. Crackers. There's no cracker emoji and I'm sad. Oh, damn, we got another sponsor. Welcome to the Cheese Club. Fabby50. Damn, we got sponsors rolling in today. That is actual insane. Thank you guys so much for your support. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Alright, let's go to... let's copy out the source code so I can switch my thing. Alright, this one's going to be called Connect. Alright. So I can now just discard that. I can. Come on. Come on. Close alt. Oh my god. Hold up, we gotta do this. Alright, there we go. And then let's switch to master, sync that up. Ask Cray, can you say goodnight to me? I'm gonna sleep, it's 1 AM. See you later. Oh, good night, Nemos59. Thank you for coming along. Can you share the Discord chat? So this is the Discord server. There's an invite link in the description below if you guys want to join it. If you want to get involved with developing with the device API or anything like that, highly suggest you join it because this is where you can get help. Is the server public or just for regulars? It is for regulars and sponsors at the moment. So if you're a sponsor, I should mention that. If you're a sponsor, send me your usernames. Send me your usernames, preferably probably on Discord. I don't know if we can. I don't think that's possible to set up. Like actually have like a sponsors role on Discord would be cool, but I don't think it's possible. I don't think it's possible. I would like to have it. If there's any way you guys, if there's a way to link that up, that would be cool. Because I'd definitely set that up if I can. But send me your usernames, preferably just on Discord and probably like the stream section or something like that. And I'll pin it. I'll try and pin it. Not like the best management system, but you know, we get around it. You can automatically have sponsors set to a sponsor role with a linked YouTube gaming account. Oh, can you? Is that a thing? If that's possible, then I can do it. This is a Christian server. What? What are you talking? Where? No one swore. No one sinned. No one sinned, Carlos. No one sinned, Carlos. Go to server settings, roles, add role. Hold on, let me just make sure. Hold up, streaming mode's not on. Hold up. Why isn't streaming mode on? Hold up.
Go to server settings /roles/add role.
I'm just making sure that nothing bad pops up. Streaming. Wait, hold on. Let me just double check that it's on. Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. I think it actually. Oh no, it doesn't. Okay. Rose. Sponsor. And sponsors. I want to make it green. We've already got green though. Maybe that green. Brighter green. Go servicing roles, add row. Add a row. Yeah, but how do I link it up? Is there a way to like link things up? So like you're automatically added as a sponsor, and then if you're not, you kind of get removed from it types thing. Integrations. Alright. Integrations. Ah, okay. Damn, that's good. Connect to Twitch. Okay, hold up. 2 seconds. Just making sure that it's not being shown. Okay. Okay, no, I won't do it now. I'll set it up for next live stream just because I'm going to be spending quite some time just setting that up. So next live stream, guys, if you're a sponsor, I'll make sure that you're actually got the sponsor. I'll try and do it after the live stream and get it all set up. I don't want to waste time, you know, just spending that time. I should be coding instead. I should be coding instead. How do you become a regular? So regulars on the Discord server are people that are active on the Discord server, but also are developing using the API, because that's what the server's all about, is developing with the API, the device API. Let's go to printer branch, update from master, sync. But yeah, thank you guys there for the help. I'll definitely make sure I integrate the sponsor thing to it. Can you add tablet phones to the device mod? Potentially. It's something that I do want to do. I haven't denied it or anything like that. I'm just like kind of probably not like for the first release, but like later on for like maybe like device mod 2.0, device mod 3.0, those type of things. Or people that are experimenting with the API and tearing it apart with their claws, true. Oh my god, you heard the bird, Fabby50? If you guys hear the bird outside, make sure you post the bird emoji in the chat. I always like to just like see it pop up. I'm like, that guy heard it. I'm just like, I'm looking out the window. There's people playing tennis. Your mod is so cool. Thanks, TronXT. Appreciate that. Alright, so the render has apparently been improved, so let's check that out. So these were my optimizations to the render. Alright, so we got this right. Okay. It's alright. It could be improved. It could be improved even more. So we're going to not tear this apart, but we're going to improve it even more. So right now, if we have a look at dynamic texture, not a huge class, but all we need to do is actually allocate, you know, a thing, get texture ID, I think this is Jen's one. Like almost, I mean, we'll do it for it. You can do a public, private static class. We'll call this picture texture. Extends abstract texture, load texture. So we're gonna base it off of this, right? But we don't need half of this stuff. Do this. We got another super chat here. Lemon squeeze.
Not working. Need help, PLS. Nothing is working.
Nothing working. Have you consulted the Mod Dev Cafe Discord that I linked? Because they're like a really good bunch of people, and there's a lot of people from even our Discord, from the Device API Discord server, that are in that can actually help you out. Let me know. Let me know what's going on, dude. Let me know what's going on. I need to help you out. I need to help you out here. because I need a little bit more specific detail than it's saying it's not working. Is there a certain thing, like it's not registering, it's not showing up in the game? So we need something like this. Okay, so what we can actually do, maybe even make it even a little bit more raw, because you don't even have to create an object. We can do something like this. Geo 11 geo gen textures. I'll do this one. Pretty sure it's the same thing, but yeah, it is. Oh no, generate texture. Whoops. And then we'll say resolution. We can do int texture ID equals. Oh, it's not showing up in the game. Well, a tile entity won't show up in the game. It's kind of more like a hidden thing. Like it's not visual, but yeah, I don't know. I would have to have a look at code. Do you have a GitHub? Do you have a GitHub, Lemon? Do you have a GitHub, Lemon? Do you have a GitHub? If I could have a GitHub, then I can see what's wrong a little bit better. Alright, now you can get rid of that. And it can be like boom, boom. Because like there's no point creating a class if we're only using it once. There's really no point creating a class if we're only using it once. Or for one specific thing. Like we're not going to be using it anywhere else, there's no point creating it. I'm loving the new stream time, Cray. I can actually watch. I'll set it up, Lemon said.
You'll set it up.
Do it, dude. Yeah, personally, I like the stream time better because it makes me get up in the mornings. It makes me get up in the mornings. And it's not like I'm in or bed all day or anything like that. Flipped pixels. Just clean it up so it actually matches the thing. I'm pretty sure I'm a regular because I upload random pictures of me experimenting with the API and then yell about pixel art cheese and stuff. Typical Aussie, what? What does that even mean? What does that even mean? Alright, so let's test this out. This should work. If it doesn't, then I've done something completely wrong. I've done something completely wrong. This is a good song. This is a good song. Alright, so let's test this out. Oh god. The lag. The lag. I like never use this hotbar system. I never use the hotbar system. Also, who designed it to look like this? Who designed this thing to look like this? Why? Like, why do you do it like this? I don't know. Can you click these? The grill and the cheese mod works. It's being uploaded to Curse now. Oh wow, that's cool. Someone heard the bird. I didn't even hear it. Is it easy? There's no need to scream and shout. Alright, so let's hop on here. I think I've got 3D on, so I can't really test it out. Hold up. I mean, first of all, it's rendering. Let's just make sure that it's not. Alright, let's do something insane. Let's do something crazy. I'd like a turkey on what? Getting free money by mining your Ethereum on your parents' electricity bill is fun. What happens next? So the idea is that these should get really laggy. Mind you, the problem is I've got a 1080 Ti, so you know what's up. You know what's up. Whoa! One thing that I want to do is like that will optimize it even more, right? Is see how like they're the same image. They're the same image. All these should be only using one texture. Instead, right now, it's actually generating textures for every single one. It's generating textures for every single one. So, it should be a little bit better. Did you see my question? I think it got lost in the chat. I think it got lost in the chat. Unless you put it on GitHub, on Discord. I don't know. Also, thanks to the person that posted about YouTube gaming integration in the Discord. I'll definitely check that out afterwards. how to use the flash drive. You simply just plug it into the side of the laptop and then go into file browser and you should be able to find it. My question was, what's possible with the device mod API? I'm aiming this question towards more towards the GUI section of the computer. So pretty much anything's possible. If you've seen, like, you gotta think out of the bounds. You gotta think out of the bounds. Basically, I created, I'm not sure, you probably saw it, but I basically created Wi-Fi lights. So I added in a new block to the game. And then I added an application on the laptop, which will scan for those blocks around the laptop, add them to a list, and then you can control them. So you can control the light level, you can turn them on and off. It's really endless, and you can integrate it into any mod as well. So let's say maybe if the device mod is installed, add in an application to the laptop which adds in a store, right? Which adds in a little store which you can buy items for your own mod. So I'm actually planning to do one for Pam's Harvest Craft. I'm planning to do one for that. Yeah, no, it's gonna be cool. So there's so many things you can do with it. There's like I can't even mention like what you can do with it because there's so many things that you can do. What's possible? Anything's possible, basically. A little bit high, a little bit low. Are you gonna make a full tutorial on the device API? Just wondering. I've been focusing on sponge coding and my device API skills are starting to turn to rust. Yeah, I'm gonna do another tutorial on it definitely because, or tutorials on it because I need some way to explain. The documentation's not perfect at the moment. There's no like tutorials. Documentation isn't like a tutorial. It's like tells you what methods do and that type of stuff, but it doesn't say like how do you start the game, how do you start whatever, you know. So how do I start coding with this? The performance of this seems to be good. Seems to be pretty good. So there we go. That's all good. So we can hear the bird. Do the modding tutorial first though. Are you planning on adding full localization support? Yeah, I am. I'm just trying to think how to do it because one way is to implement the full XML system. Implement a full XML system. But then, yeah, I don't know. But I can still do like localization normally as well. The bird can see me, that's why he's like squawking. He can see me through a little teeny hole. Alright, so that's all good. Alright, let's just commit that. Optimized. Printer. And even more. Sync. There we go. How's the Wi-Fi going to work? I just joined. Alright, so we'll check this out now. I actually haven't shown it off yet. Let's go ahead. switch back to the router branch. So I can show you this one so far. This isn't the updated code, but it's a working version of it at least. Yeah, the idea of Wi-Fi is to be able to, you know, communicate for things with the other things around it, as Jake said in the chat there. That's the way it's going to be enabled. Like, right now, the printer, like, I'm just finding printers around the laptop. I don't want it to work like that. I want it to have to be, you have to connect to a network for you to actually see printers that are around. Oh, we got the test server. Oh, 4 people on the test server right now. 4 people are on the test server right now. I don't think I can join. I might be able to join actually. Let's have a look. Yeah, I would be able to. Hey guys! Oh, hello. Super admin. What's up with those explosions? Oh, I don't know. People have been doing crazy stuff. We got a star over here. That's pretty cool. Got an exclamation. We lost that beautiful artwork that was done for the competition. Oh wow. What is this? What have they been doing on here? They've been doing something else on here. Added like an underground area. I don't know why, but... What is that for? What is it for? Someone made me invisible. Someone said, I don't know, just made it. Just made this underground area. No big deal, just made it. Am I invisible? Why am I invisible? How do I turn myself visible? I don't know the commands. So out of touch with servers. But yeah, if you're a sponsor, I can add you to the server. If you just send your usernames. So sponsors and regulars get onto the server. Try V. Ah, there we go. Ah, cool. I can see now. Although I don't like night vision. I think it just makes everything just look weird. What have I got in my inventory? Ah, it's all these. Oh. I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Oh my god. I'm invisible now too. Oh my god. And there's not even any... Oh no, there's particle effects. Sorry, hold on. Clear. Clear. I need milk. He needs some milk. He needs some milk. I sent my username. Holy. Oh. Oh my god. What is going on here? Did someone just blow up like an elevator or something like that? What is going on? RIP elevator. Who did that? Who did the explosion? Can we ban TNT? Someone did it here. Who's on here using explosives? Oh my god, there's a troll. Someone's invisible. They're right here, I can see them. Who is that? Oh my god. And server gone. Rest in peace, server. Can we get a RIP server in chat, please? Can we get a RIP server in chat? Also, can we get Jake Crowley on the server, please. He's posted his message in the general off-topic section. RIP server. RIP server 2017 to 2017. It was a good server. Super chatted RIP server. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, let's check out this router. And me, oh yeah, and Fabby52. And Fabby52. What's lagging? Is that lagging it now? That wasn't lagging before. Come on. It's just loading.
RIP server.
Why am I getting 15 FPS? What the heck? They didn't lag before. That wasn't lagging before. What the heck? 100% that wasn't lagging before. Why is it now lagging? Oh, I know why it's lagging. Don't worry. It's because we switched over to an old branch. Oh, that's good that I know it's actually worked. So like, okay, we're using the old method here. Can I connect to your Wi-Fi?
Can I connect to our Wi-Fi? And I'm setting up GitHub.
And I'm setting up GitHub. Alright, link me to your GitHub once you're there. So what I'm not gonna make him a regular. I'm gonna set up the sponsor thing where it automatically makes somebody sponsored, and you have to just make sure you're connected to YouTube Gaming, because that's just how it's gonna work. So automatically, you know, we'll add you as a sponsor, and then when you don't become a sponsor, we'll automatically remove you, because there's no way we can manage that easily. Alright. So what I might do as well, see if we can push. Just so you know, no TNT on the server. Can we ban TNT? I don't know who did it. Do we have logs of it? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. You guys sort it out. It was one of the Redstone Masters. Just give them a warning. If anybody uses TNT again, it's a permanent ban. No questions asked. We don't care what you're doing. If you have any reason, from now on, it's a permanent ban for any TNT. And make it so we ban TNT on the server as well. It's a warning for now. I don't know who it exactly was, but whoever it was, permanent ban from now on if it happens again or anything like that from anybody. Alright? Perm ban, no questions asked. We gave you a warning. Alright. So what we're gonna do is copy the source code back in here. Oh yeah, I didn't show you guys the router. So basically down here, right? We added this thing called tray icons now, or tray items. click here, and it actually comes up with like a list of routers around. Alright, Redstone Master Fest up. Yeah, dude, make sure next time don't use TNT at all. We've made it clear. Clear from the start.
Disappointed face.
Why were you trying to break the elevator? Why were you trying to break the elevator? Why were you trying to break it? But why were you trying to break it? I'm gonna wonder if the structure will break with some TNT. Basically, don't use TNT, don't break anything you don't know what it is. Like, someone's probably built something. Just remember, there's rules on the server. It's behave, no TNT, no griefing, all the general stuff. So far, everybody's followed it. Surprisingly, and that was even adding random people onto it, so. But yeah, from now on, I know it wasn't like a clear thing before. From now on, anybody uses TNT, or hopefully somebody can ban it. So there's no more TNT, will be permanently banned from the server. No questions. Well, I'm going to try and do stuff with the device API. Alright, Blithral. I want to see it. I want to see it. So yeah, nothing too special about the router at the moment. But we're going to go ahead and copy in this code that I was working on. I'm going to copy the code in. And I'm going to see if I can update from master. I think we have to commit.
There is a mod that deletes explosions TNT.
Oh, I'm sure the guys moderating the server will get onto it quickly. So thanks for the suggestion anyway. I'm glad you fessed up. Like, you didn't just be like, I didn't do it. At least you're being honest, but still. No tangent on the server, don't break anything, you know. Pretty simple rule to follow. Alright, let's go ahead and... I want to get this merged into it. Ugh. Yeah, a few that won't even allow you to have certain items in your inventory, it instant removes them. Yeah, basically, I need something like that, eh? Task ping. So basically we need like a ping task, but the ping also has to have a an ID to it. So if we want to ping for a certain router, right, we need to be able to actually ping it correctly in a way to make sure it's the right router. Because let's say we're trying to manage a connection to a router, right? And somebody instantly swaps the router out with another one. Yes, it's going to be a router, but it's not the correct one. It's not the one we're connected to, so we need to make sure we check that the ID is the same on it as well. So tile entity router. Why is it that the mod works in my IDE but not in the regular client? It's because if you're using the API, right, it's specifically designed to crash if it actually runs in a normal environment, because it's not designed for normal players. It's not designed for normal players. The device, when kind of the developer mode is enabled, it strips a bunch of features, it adds in all the applications without you having to actually buy them through the App Store. It comes with like minimal design. It's just purely for designing applications. You don't need to be able to, you know, I don't know what else. It's supposed to be just like very developer focused, nothing special about it, got all applications. So, and like I don't want it to run in a regular client, because you could potentially use the device API version as the normal version and then go on servers, because there's no way to really separate them. And I didn't want to make two projects like I did before. Hopefully that understands why it works. How to use device API from GitHub? You just need to download the jar file, set it up, create a new mod environment. Just create a new standard mod environment for 1.12.2, and then attach a library with the jar API, the device API jar file, to the project, and then you can actually start developing with it. I do have a tutorial on my YouTube channel. It's a little outdated, but you can still use it if you know what you're doing. Considering I need to set up the environment, I doubt you'll be seeing stuff from me shortly. Ah, it's all good, dude. Tile entity router. Get router UUID. I'm just like trying to think what like type of methods we need. Like I have like connect device, forget device. Have something like is client connected. It's like one. I want to like rename these. I don't like these. Connect device, add. I want to refactor these names. I don't like the names of them. If you guys have any better suggestions for this connect device and forget device, let me know. Or keep it. Or keep it, I don't know. Could do here as well. Oh no, we'll do it like this. Router. Let's say router. Right, return if router. mbt.setString. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm gonna go toilet real quickly, guys. I'll be back in a second here. Let's have a look. For forget do kill device. Oh my god. Alright, you updated your code? Alright, I'll check that out, dude. Does anybody know how to submit a channel for... Oh, okay, don't worry. Okay, it's 2 AM. I really need to sleep. Have fun. Good night. See ya, Haynes. Thank you for coming to the live stream, dude. Hey, Buns and Ben.
Okay, I just sampled my code.
Developers Coffee Go PP. Oh my god. Christian stream, my dude. Christian stream. Alright. Jeez, can we... I was gonna shower these sins, but that just kind of sounds wrong. When I just mentioned it was Go PP. Shower these sins. Alright, I'll be back in a second, guys. Post your favorite quote in the comments. Post your favorite quote in the comments. Someone's like Kafifi. I'm back, dudes. I'm back. The music stopped. Oh, it's still going. Alright. Sorry about that. Took a while there. Taken 3 minutes. Oh my god. How long was I gone? How long was I gone for? What the flip? I just need to check. Oh, what's this? Live streaming. Hold up. Yeah, I was thinking my microphone was muted there for a second. We had some wonderful quotes while you're gone. Let's have a look. I can't remember what I forgot to forget. Oh my god. If you do a thing, you do it right. And you don't F it up. It works. It just works. Eat your kids' veggies. I didn't kill the bird. I did it! What are you talking about? Yes, I did. Red. Spell red. L-S-T-E-R. Do I have the authorization to remove old placed wallpaper to prevent crash on the server? What's wrong? What's wrong, dude? It shouldn't have a crash. Well, it shouldn't have a crash. Can I like this on the dev server? I thought they were getting to you. Hold up. If you guys can add Jake Crowley, he posted his username in the chat somewhere. In the Discord chat. Sorry. In the general off-topic section. That would be nice. I think it's just Jake Crowley, his name. All in one word, lowercase. Hold up. I heard my phone go off. I don't know where it is. Someone called me. Mum called me. Mum called me. Hold up, let's have a look. I'll just send a message, hey. Let's put this back on. Alright, so add a little ping. A little bit of a ping. To tag. Say tag.setString ID. Mum interrupts stream. Oh god, yeah, true. Network devices. Yeah, while I was at the toilet, I was brainstorming some ideas for my live stream, so I'm gonna get my friend to create me a BRB screen. Like a really dope one. Like I already know. I already got a picture in mind of what it's going to look like. Lemon squeeze. Someone help me. GitHub. In the meantime, I'm getting over it. Yeah. I have a quick snaz at it. Network devices. So I'm pretty sure a network device has a... Oh, it doesn't yet, but it should have like a...
Someone sent help. In the meantime, I'm getting over it with Bennett Foddy.
To tag. Public void. From tag. Oh, network client. Now I have a private network device. The best ideas happen when on the toilet, LeMayo. King Yoshi disappears into the 1 AM sky. Oh my god, King Yoshi. Yeah, what time is it now? What time is it now, your time, when I'm actually live streaming? Hopefully you're still here. Hopefully you're still here. So we need to do ID, name. Lemon Squeeze just sent another $2. Just no message or anything, just $2. just $2. Thanks again for all the super chats, dude. I appreciate it a lot. Come with us and walk along the road. Return tag. I think King Yoshi is gone. I think King Yoshi is absolutely gone. Also, have we whitelisted Fabi50 as well to the server? Is the server back on? Is the server back on? It's about 8:15 in New York time zone.
It's about 8:15 in New York time zone.
Oh, well, that's nice. That's a good time for people in America. For America. For America. Device.id equals name at night 8 PM. Yeah, I mean, I know what you mean. I kind of have an understanding of because I specifically did this time because it's a nice time for me, but it's also a nice time for people in America because it's like 6 PM to 8 PM for the whole entire United States. I'm not sure what it's like on the East Coast. If anybody knows, I know the West Coast. Sorry. I think it's a little bit later on the West Coast, but it's still reasonable time. Gonna get snowing soon in New York. That'd be cool. Along the road. We need to do a tag list device list. New MBT tag list. Network devices for each. MBT tag compound. I got 2 snow days, most snow in 5 years. Oh wow. We haven't had any snow here in Australia. Because it's summertime. It is flipping summertime. It's so much different here. If you go to Australia for Christmas,
snow days must snow in 5 years.
Come to
ATL.
If you come to Australia for Christmas, it's just completely different. It's completely different. But I'm like, that's what Christmas has been like all the time, so I don't know any different really. Like, everything's still themed. Everything's still themed as snow and everything like that, but there's no snow here. Who's from Australia here? Who is from Australia here? Where is everybody from, actually? Let me know where you're from in the chat right now. And if you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. How many likes have we got so far on this stream so far? Let me know in the chat. But yeah, if you're enjoying it, make sure you snap it. Make sure you also hit that bell button so you get notified when I actually do go live. We got somebody from Germany, USA, America, Louisiana, Canada, New York, Canada, Denver, Australia, dude, Aussie, oi, 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 Denmark, Sweden. I live in Australia too. Arizona, Cyprus. Where's Cyprus? What the? We got an inch in New York. Denver, yay. Atlanta, Georgia. You guys are legit. Oopsie, we need to do we'll just do device list dot append device to tag. Device alright, there we go, and then from tag. Is that all we need to do for this? Yeah, it is. Alright, cool. Why is that a static? Why is that a static? What the flip? Get out of here, static. That doesn't work. That doesn't work like that, alright? Don't know why that was static, but it shouldn't have been static. I don't get it. I don't get it. Make sure. Just clear it. We'll do ID equals, so route ID equals UID from string and then we'll say MBT tag list device list equals tag dot get tag list network devices, so MBT for int I equals 0, I is less than device list dot tag count I plus plus, and then we'll say network device equals I put device get UID like that. GUI config doesn't load / render. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh no, I haven't done the config GUI yet. If you're talking about that. If I super chat, can you permanently whitelist me? So to get on this, or if you're wanting to get on the server, currently right now I'm mainly supporting people that are regulars. in the Discord or sponsors in the chat right now. We've still got to sort out the whole situation if people are a sponsor. I don't think that's possible to do. Yeah, we need to whitelist Jake Crowley. We need to whitelist Jake Crowley. So I think that's it for the from tag. What the battery is low, what the heck? Someone should make Hulu and Netflix on the laptop. It's a little bit too difficult. A little bit too difficult right there, dude. Appreciate the super chat though. I'm never gonna be able to sponsor anyway. That's kind of the thing. Which like, if I let one person on, that means it's like it's not fair for everybody else in a way.
Someone
like,
should make Hulu or Netflix on the
like
laptop.
the reason we have a test server is to actually test the mod out. I don't want it to be full public, because then everybody will get on. People will just do crazy stuff, and like, I want it to be a little bit closed, a little bit more controlled. I don't want to have like it out of control and everything. So if I let just someone random on, it's not fair to everybody else.
XCat means
Hopefully you
not TV.
understand. Like, it's just like it's a test server. I don't want it to be out of control, and that type of stuff. So we've done that. To tag, from tag. Alright. So router is good. Alright, so let's try and get this connection stuff working right now. Try and get this connection stuff working. So in Thailand, to the laptop here. Thailand, to the laptop here. We need to make it have a new field here, private router. I think that's how it's gonna work. Alright, I need to put my phone on charge. Oh, you got the config GUI to work. Alright. Do you want to do a PR? A pull request. Because if you could submit that, that'd be dope, dude. Avoids me having to do it. Because I want to do it, you know. Oh yeah, this doesn't... So, router needs a position. Router needs a position. Because right now, if we put in laptop here this, we can't get the position of it. Alright, let's do that. How do you submit a channel to your TV mod? I don't have submissions for it. I don't know. I don't have submissions for it. Let's have a look. I think it's squeeze. I don't think you're even registering your tile entities. I don't think you're even registering your blocks. From what I see. I'm looking at your method. I'm looking at your mod class and it's not doing anything. Oh no, mind you don't need to do that, sorry. My bad. Registry. Yeah, not even registering your blocks. Alright. Right to MGT compound dot set tag get router. Equals router. Router.read from tag. I don't like the look of that. I don't like the look of that at all. Let's have a look. RIP Doctor Who channel, what? In the furniture mod, I'm sure there's a mailbox. What if MyBay just sends the items to the mailbox instead of giving them to you instantly? Yeah, I can look into it. I know how to do it now. I don't know how to submit the config GUI code. A pull request on GitHub. Unless you just want to send the code. I don't know. Either one. Wake me up in September 2018. What? Wake me up when September ends. Alright. Let's just do router. We better turn it up. Um. Just do this. Alright, there we go. Maybe we just have like connected router. Should have something like get position in it, I feel. I want a GoPro. Cause you wanna go pro. You wanna go pro. Oh my god. Let's go ahead. I think we're gonna do another cheese hype. You guys know what cheese hype is? If you don't know, it's basically when you type in hashtag cheese hype into the chat and then post a bunch of cheese emojis. So let's go ahead. Let's do this. In 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype! Let's do it right now. Cheese hype in the chat. Let's get some mad cheese. Let's get some mad cheese. Cheese hype. Cheese hype. Alright. I think we've been... I know we've still got half an hour of this live stream left over, guys. Alright, so... Tile entity router. Okay, so we don't really need to... We don't need to keep the position of it, alright? We don't need to keep the position of it. Yeah, we got that cheese hype show. Boom. You're done now. Oh my god. Lemon squeeze of the super chat cheese hype. Damn. How do you share files? Just upload them somewhere, then share the link. Oh my god.
Cheese, 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 cheese.
Big shot.
Cheese, 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 cheese.
Girl,
cheese,
don't be,
cheese,
take off your
cheese,
jacket.
Cheese,
I said,
cheese,
babes,
cheese,
men's not
cheese,
hot.
Cheese, cheese, cheese.
I can never
cheese,
be hot.
Cheese, cheese,
Perspiration
cheese.
ting. That like beat was like way too slow to do anything with. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babes, men's not hot. Wake me up when September starts. Made a little twist there. Wake me up when Christmas ends. So the whole idea why I don't want to keep the position is because the position's always changing. So if basically, mind you, how do we know where that is though? Okay, I think we do need to keep position because then we don't know if it's changed. go block was connected router. I don't think you can do router. We can say router. I just think we need to keep a position tracked inside of it. Block, pause. From tag. So I have like a router. I don't like this song. It sounds like a penguin song. It's the penguin song. Cray got mad wubs. Alright, then we go this dot pause. So I'm not actually going to be saving the position. I don't think this is going to be a problem, but we're not saving the position. It's more of like a... because we don't really need to save it, that's the thing. Well, hopefully we don't have to save it. Pause. Hopefully that's set before this. Pretty sure it is. What city do you live in? I live in Adelaide, South Australia. Cheers for this.
What city do you live in?
Cheers for the super chat, dude. Gonna play some MC and listen to the live stream now. I'm not gonna be able to respond to people, but they never ask me anything besides. They always ask what you're doing, not how you're doing. Rest in peace. They always ask what you're doing, not how you're doing. Story of my life. What you're doing, not how you're doing. Just heard something outside. Router. So we'll say if... so in this here, right, let's say... so we'll say if connected router doesn't equal to null, we need to basically manage this connection, right? We need to manage the connection to the router. So we're going to do something like say is connected. Super is connected. Oh. My bad. My bad. Make sure we're doing super.update. Oopsie. Update. Call this router. Oh, when you finish with the computer, and if you also make a phone, when you're done with a phone, make a gaming console. Oh my god. Cray, Cray, do you have the exact same bird as Logan Paul's bird? Yes, I am I'm a maverick, guys. I'm secretly a maverick, alright? I'm secretly a maverick. You know, I got that maverick merch. Merch link in bio. What's going on? I'll do what he does. Dab City. Maverick merch. Not really. Not really. Super update. Please don't dab. Gonna dab super fast. Dab on them haters. Oh, that's Jake Paul. Still. Dab on them haters. If connected router doesn't equal null. Have a private void private router locate we'll say tile entity equals world.get tile entity connected router get oh we don't have a we'll say so let's just assume that pos is null. If connected router.get pos equals null, then we'll say equals router.locate. Obviously we'll say we'll call it locate. Yeah, I already read that one out. Alright. Whoa, oh, whoa. Whoa, what? Locate connected router. Else. We'll say do this, get pos. We need to verify that the tile entity at this location is the same as this router. So we'll go override the equals tag. So if abj equals null, return false, obj instance of, so if it's not, return false, and then we'll say router equals router, and then we'll say return, oops, return router dot router get ID dot equals router ID. I'll say if type entity instance of type entity router oh, what the heck? Oh my god. That was so creepy. Oh, that was beautiful. That was very beautiful right there, guys. How did that work? How did that work? Hold up, let's have a look. Who was that? Who was that? Hold on, let's have a look. I didn't even get to see who that was. Oh my god. Who was that? My donations. It was Lemon Squeeze. Oh my god, Lemon. You scared me. You scared me, dude. That was so weird. That scared me real bad. Alright. Alright, so how much of the live stream? We've got 10 minutes left of this live stream today, guys. Also, I forgot to mention, if you guys want to get a shout out, make sure you go over to my Twitter and retweet the tweet. Make sure you've snapped that like button as well. Show that you love the live stream. Show that you love the live stream. And then we'll go tile entity router dot get router dot equals connected router if then we'll say connected router dot get block, we'll say public set, oopsie, public void set pos. Okay, I go now. DM on Discord when you figure the tile entity thing on my GitHub. I'm pretty sure you're not registering any of your blocks or anything, but I'll check it out. But let's see you later, Lemon. Cheers for the super chat. What's up, Mr. Crayfish? Hey, Jay Lightning. How you doing? Why you don't ask how I'm doing, not what you're doing?
Okay, I go now. DM on Discord me when you figure the tile and anything on my GitHub.
Set pos.
cheese 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 cheese.
That was beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Jake Crowley there for the $1 super chat. Donation there. Oh my god. Cheese, 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 cheese. A girl told me, take off your cheese. I said, babes, cheese not hot. I think my coffee's cold now. I'm not going to drink that. And we're also going to do a private int connect. Like, we need to, like, attempt to reconnect, but I don't want to try it every single time. I donated my remaining $1 in my PayPal. Cheers, dude. I appreciate it a lot, dude. Like, seriously, like, I don't expect you guys to donate. I don't tell you guys to donate. But, no, like, for the people that do, like, I want to let you know that I appreciate it a lot. You know, it's like going above and beyond, pretty much. Like, as long as you guys like got bell notifications on, you like the live stream and you comment in the chat, like, that's like as much as I need. But for the people that do take that extra step, you know, I appreciate it so much. So thank you guys. Alright, so connected router. Have I done Visual Basic coding? No, I have not. Maybe like a little tiny bit, but no, didn't really get into it. It was like more for like something that I did in university. Hashtag lit cheese stream. Say, I'll just say counter, whatever. Let's say if counter counter equals 0. Trying to think here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that should be... So every second it will test for the connection. Test for the connection. So it is connected. Get position. I will say if connected router.get position return false. Is connected, and then we'll say is connected. So if that router, that position equals connected router, alright, there we go. I don't think we're going to get the connection done today, but the connection will definitely be working next live stream. We want to do this locate. We can quickly implement this locate. We can do it through the dialog print. This is what I want. Don't need to implement, don't need to rewrite any code. Don't need that. Don't need that. Range will soon be a config option. Oops. Test current pos. And this will be pos. So tile. Ugh, get away from there. Are we going? Oh, it's almost hashtag overtime live stream, guys. It's almost hashtag overtime live stream. Tile entity router. Or we'll say tile entity equals world.get tile entity current pos. Instance of tile entity router. Let's say router equals if router dot equals connected router. Then we'll say return router. Well, we can do actually just router dot set pos locate maybe kind of looks better just to do this. This one's more of a updating. This one's more of the position. Yeah. Like if connected router is null, it means we're not connected to anything. We should really have this here. Be better. Alright. Return that null. We need to do that. Router. If router doesn't equal null. Connected router equals router. And then inside a router we have a is connected method, don't we? Is client connected. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Is connected. Get pause. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the heck?
Can you do more command block tutorials?
Can I do more command block tutorials? I definitely want to. I gotta figure it out. They are like, it depends how like difficult they get, because like some get difficult and it's hard to explain everything. But yeah, I definitely want to do some, maybe some more basic tutorials. Nothing advanced because they just take too long to actually make and then create a video on it. It's going to be like an hour video, which it's a lot of time to edit. But yeah, I'll definitely see what I can do. Yeah, it's overtime. Hashtag overtime livestream right now, guys. Hashtag overtime livestream. So, is connected. Alright. So, what we're going to say here is, if is connected router equals null, right? Then we're just going to return. We're going to do a different handle for this. So, do if get pos equals null, then we'll say we'll create another method called private void. Private void update connection. Update connection. Update connection. So update connection here. Update connection, but update connection, but if it's still null, then return false. Update connection. No, that won't work. Woo! Update connection. I still think this should be set pos router, get pos. So if get pos equals null, update connection, if, we'll say if connected router dot get pos still equals null, return false. Alright, so it's still null, return false. So if it does have a pos, I'm going to say if it equals, if router the thing is we might not have, let's say there the position isn't null but it's the incorrect position. We'll say update connection here, right? Even if we do that there, update connection, if pos still equals null, return false. So if it gets it and it's a different router, okay, so if we updated the connection, right, and the position is right, then it will work. Otherwise it will return false. Because if we updated the connection and it doesn't find it, then it's not right. If it, yeah, okay. That should work. Alright. We're getting good progress done. I'll tell you that right now, guys. We're getting good progress done. But I think that is going to end off this live stream today, guys. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to do Twitter shoutouts. But before that, if you guys enjoyed this live stream, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button right now. And as well, turn on bell notifications so you get notified when I actually go live. But we're going to go ahead, retweet, or do shoutouts here. So we got shout out to TronXT, Mr. Butters, Jonna F 2014. And let's go to the actual retweets here. We got Brandon Austin Saliva, Ash Mus, Zoram, yeah, Little Ivy Gaming, Mucho, Developers Coffee, Sturdrem, Gaming with PJ, 20 Lines of Code, Fabby50, and Guinea Mac 100. Thank you guys for the retweets there over on Twitter. Truly appreciate it. And thank you everybody that super chatted. Hopefully I didn't miss anybody that did super chat or donated. in this live stream today. But thank you guys, and yeah, we'll be starting. I did like this is so weird, but we're starting Mod Week on Monday. We're starting Mod Week on Monday. I'm putting up an announcement video. Where we're going to be developing an application every single day for a week. It's going to be exciting. Not for a week, for 5. It's going to be for 5 days. Fabby50, thanks for the stream. Thanks dude for the donation there. Thanks for the last minute super chat right there. What is that currency? SEK. What is SEK? SEK to AUD. Let's have a look. Okay.
Thanks for the stream.
Cheers for the donation, dude. Last minute donation. But yeah, that's it. I will see you guys later.